Here we go, Mike from Custom Cruisers, listening to Ian Drury on this fine Sunday, doing a Baker +1 sump kit on a bagger. Okay, so we got all this clean, or I thought I had. I've just spotted a bit more now. I don't know if you know this, but use a copper coin. Doesn't knacker all your bloody alley. Okay, does a perfect job. Alright, as you can see, get every bit of shit off. Or gasket, I should say, not shit. Spotlessly clean, he says. Okay, now in this particular case, this hung down. I've had to turn this 90 degrees, otherwise it hit this. You won't be able to get the pipe on. Okay, we've got blue Loctite, essential on most Harleys and the other ones. All right, various grades. Put that on all the bolts. So now we're basically ready to offer this up. Okay, so this sump should, in theory, just go straight on. And given I've tested it, I know it does. Okay, but as you can see, nice and clean. I will just put the camera down just for a sec. Just listen to Ian Drury. Very cool bloke. Saw him live. One of the best I've seen actually. I think he's died. Cracking bloke. Now, Baker say you've got to do the bolts in a set sequence, which is pretty normal. Okay, now Mr. Baker says the bolts have to be done